Welcome to Impact Headlines. Moderating US inflation indicates to rate cuts. Oil prices stay near 5-month high. China's industrial profits in a significant rise. Inflation in the United States moderated to 2.5% in February from 2.4% a month earlier. Cost of services outside housing and energy slowed significantly. Therefore, according to Reuters, this keeps a June interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve on the table. Despite such price movements remaining above the 2% target rate, policymakers anticipate 3 rate cuts this year. Impact on Sri Lanka. A reduction in policy rates and moderating inflation drives consumption. The United States is Sri Lanka's largest export market. In 2023, exports to the United States fell to $2.7 billion, down 17% from a year earlier. Sri Lanka is anticipating stronger demand from the US citizens as the island nation intends to reduce its expanding trade deficit. Oil prices were steady at a near 5-month high. This is because markets expect tighter supply from OPEC plus cuts along with a tax on Russian refineries. Improving Chinese manufacturing data also support an improving demand outlook. Reuters, quoting an energy aspects analyst, said that geopolitical risks to crude and heavy feedstock supplies add to strong second quarter demand fundamentals. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's high dependency on oil imports means higher prices significantly affect its balance of payments. While the country's foreign exchange reserves have improved in recent months, they still remain dangerously low at just around 3 months of imports. In a significant development, profits at industrial firms in China were up 10.2% in January and February. While this comes amidst other positive indicators for the Chinese economy, the scale of the growth was unexpected and bodes well for the country and global economic activity. Impact on Sri Lanka. While China is not a key export market for Sri Lanka, a strong Chinese economy helps investments to the island nation. Just this week, China's Sinopec agreed to double its investments in the Hambantota oil refinery to $9 billion. Additionally, tourists from the world's second largest economy are a significant contributor to Sri Lanka's rebounding tourism industry. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.